What can I say about Nova Scotia? A place untouched by time. Come with me beyond the Cabot Trail, to a place few have come before me. A place with hidden waterfalls along towering cliffs. Yet, there is far more to Cape Breton beyond its breathtaking scenery. In the heart of its rugged shores lies a timeless tradition. Join me as we embark on a journey through Cape Breton's unknown. Welcome to my channel. My name is Joe and I recently took a road trip all the way from Northern Ontario to Eastern Canada, seeing some of the most incredible sights and experiences along the way. But in this video, come with me as we travel to the most northeastern part of Nova Scotia, to a place that absolutely blew me away. This story begins a few days earlier as we explored the wine region of Nova Scotia, indulging in some of the most delicious local wines and delicious wood-fired pizza, I might also add. We really enjoyed our time here, but it was a time to pack our bags on a new adventure to see the undiscovered part of Nova Scotia. Before this trip, a 7-hour drive would have felt so daunting, but we were actually all looking forward to just hitting the road and seeing Cape Breton. We really started to notice some major changes in the landscape as we started to approach the world-famous Cabot Trail. Twisting and turning on these windy roads, every view at each corner better than the last one. It can't get any better than this, right? Welcome to the Sedona Retreat, our home base for the next 2 days here in Cape Breton. I wanted to give a quick tour of this beautiful 2-story A-frame that's located right on the beach. There's 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a huge kitchen, and a really nice dining area as well. The upstairs has a really nice area to relax with beautiful views of the ocean. This Airbnb is also really beautifully styled with so many cool and kind of unique art pieces to it. Not to mention, there's also a huge deck outside with a massive hot tub right beside it with backgrounds of the Atlantic Ocean right behind you. They also have a really cool barrel sauna. I've actually never seen one with like a see-through glass kind of thing like that, so I thought that was really cool. The Sedona Retreat really does have something for everybody. This morning, guys, we're going on an epic quest. Yesterday, I was flying the drone from this deck, and I saw if you go down the beach, way down there, there's actually a waterfall that's coming down the mountains and it's going right into the ocean. So we're gonna go for a walk and try and figure out if we can find it. There is a massive drop off from the edge of the property to the beach, literally probably like 20 feet down. So I can show you guys, we're gonna have to head all the way down here because it drops down, but I'll show you guys just the drop off. It's pretty crazy. Ready to go on an adventure?
So excited!
You can kind of see the drop off from where we're staying, the Airbnb, and it doesn't even, the video doesn't even really do it justice. You can see like the further you go down, this gets huge down there.
Welcome to do live. It's a perfect place to
We got as close as we could, and I flew the drone as far as I could, but it still wasn't close enough to the waterfall. You could still see it, but apparently there's a trail up Sugarloaf Mountain, so we're gonna see it. Looks like it could be close to the waterfall.
Gonna be so good, fresh, right from over there. Caught maybe an hour ago.
How do we cook them? We just boil them?
Yeah, boil them in water for about 20 minutes.
Okay.
And if you add salt, it's even better. Add about a cup of salt or something.
Because in Ontario, we can't get fresh fish like this.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, that's
Wowza.
Oh my God. So how much would that be about, you know?
It's roughly probably around $9 a pound. So it's £4.
So much history and stories on these walls. These are some of the moments during travel that really stay with you. Talking to some of the locals and just seeing their way of life was truly special. The girl that hates lobsters the most carrying the lobsters.
This is cruel.
$34 for 3 lobsters. I don't even think you can get one in Ontario for that much money. And we did manage to find that waterfall. I couldn't imagine our last night being better spent than cooking up some of that fresh lobster that we got just off the harbor, spending some time with loved ones, and enjoying our last night here in the east coast of Canada. Guys, make sure to smash that like button, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.